Well, it's Sunday. I'm back out here in the garage for a little bit. I think I'm going to work on cleaning up these inner fender wells. Gonna get the wheels pulled off of it and just do a little bit of cleanup. And that'll probably be it for the day. Might throw some ceramic on the inner fenders again. It's a really easy way to keep those from getting all gunked up as I drive it. So let's get on that. It's actually not really that bad. I cleaned this not too long ago, but I did do it before I went on Tail of the Dragon and got poured on. So it's a little dirty. My rotors rust. It's just the way they are. I don't have ceramics, so I'll clean those up a little bit. I think we'll be good there. Should be the front. Front looks pretty good as well. Not terrible, but there's a little bit I can do with the silver paint here. Maybe the little felt here, and might clean up the caliper a little bit, and then the upright could probably use a little bit of cleanup. So I'm just going to try and focus on that and see if we can get that looking a little better. that's going to do it for this weekend. Wrapped up for what I needed to get accomplished. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some coverage of the Bluegrass World of Wheels, which is coming up next weekend. And I will be posting this video beforehand, so if you're seeing this as soon as I post it, the car show is in Louisville, Kentucky at the Fair and Expo Center, and I will post a link to the flyer along with some other details about the car show. You can see my Cadillac in there, and it'll be all opened up so you can see everything inside. It'll be pretty cool. I will try and get some footage beforehand going around the car and showing you the engine and the interior. The weather right now is pretty crappy outside. We've got some snow in Kentucky. So we'll see what I can get done between now and then. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Stebbins Garage, and then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.